I got to ask this question and I want to answer it. And I also want to give you a little value add at the end of my answer that you may find useful. How do you view connection request on LinkedIn? So if I go to LinkedIn, the way you do that is you go to My Network. Now under My Network, you have the ability to see, typically on the desktop, you'll see 3 invites that have come in if you have at least 3. But also beyond people you may know stuff down here that may be of interest, you also have the ability to go see all 9 invites. Now here's a little bit of magic right here. Under See All, I have the ability to see all 9 invitations I've received, whether they're people, company, newsletters, LinkedIn Lives, etc., etc. I have the ability to see all of them right here, and I have the ability to manage them. I'm going to give you a little trick that you may want to use here in a moment. But I also have the ability to click on Sent, and I can see all the invitations that I have sent out. Again, whether they're people, follow my pages, join my events, follow my newsletter, etc., etc. But I have the ability to manage all of this. Now, here's a little tip that you may find useful. Under Received, remember, I got to here through My Network. I clicked on See All 9. This is vital because from the Invitation Manager page, I have the ability to message them back or reply to them before I accept the LinkedIn invite. And that is critical because I want to validate, is this a real human? And do I really want to connect with this person before I actually connect with them? And if I determine through that messaging or that reply that I don't want to accept their invite, I have the ability to hit the ignore button. But if I message them or reply to them and I like the conversation or find it's relevant or intriguing or interesting, then I can hit the accept button. And this is important because you want to validate before you connect. And one more great little tip for you, under Sent, I can see all the invitations I've sent out. I recommend that you don't let them stack up too long. If they get more than a month or so too old, I recommend you hit withdrawal to get rid of them because there's no need to leave invites out there for that long. Just get rid of them. Because if it's been 3 or 4 months, they're not going to accept it. They've moved on to other things. They may even have forgotten about it and it's gone. So it's not worth just letting it sit out there, hoping and praying they accept, because they won't. Hey, I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope these tips are helpful for you.